Have I ever thought I will find a place full of M&Ms? Of course I haven't. However, it does exist, and right now I will share with you guys my own experience in one of these places. Lots to cover, so let's get started. Hi guys, and welcome to my vlog, Let's Travel the World Together. In this episode, as I mentioned before, we're gonna talk about chocolate, namely M&M's and Hershey's store in Times Square, New York City. The M&M's World Times Square, that's how they call it, locates in the heart of Broadway and features 3 levels with exclusive products which can be found only in here. Let's have a look at them. So as you can see, there is the biggest chocolate war in New York. You can choose the right amount of candies and pay at the counter. Half a pound will cost you $7.99. Of course, you can buy twice cheaper in the supermarket, but you can't find all of these colors. The most exciting thing about this place is that you can create your very own customized M&Ms in just 2 minutes. By choosing from 16 different colors of milk chocolate candies, creating a message and picking an image like a big apple, I love New York Yankees, and more. If New York City is too far for you, but you still want to visit these places, there are other locations: Shanghai, Orlando, Las Vegas, and London. So choose the closest and go! M&M's wasn't the only chocolate island I visited in Times Square. Hershey's Chocolate World is there another one. I should admit, it's not so impressive as M&M's, but there are still some attractions. Let's see what they got in here. Hershey's itself is not a very popular brand in Eastern Europe. The only known one is Kit Kat. To be honest, I didn't even know it's the Hershey's one. Look at this giant. Impressive size, isn't it? And this is my favorite stand here. If you're also a peanut butter lover, you must come here. That's it what I wanted to share with you today in this episode. If you want more, and of course you do, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. See you in the next video and let's travel the world together. Bye for now. I said bye, so see you in the next episode. And let me enjoy the sweets.